there, welcome back to English Made Easy. Today I'll be teaching you phrases that express love. Our first phrase is fall for. To start feeling love for someone. He fell for her the moment they met. Fell for. Settle down with. To commit to a long term relationship with someone. They decided to settle down with each other after years of dating. Settle down. Dote on. To show excessive love and attention to someone. He dotes on his children, always giving them gifts. Dotes on. Make up with. To make friends with someone after a fight, often due to feelings of love. They had a fight but made up with each other the next day. Made up. Look after. To take care of someone, often out of love. She looked after him when he was sick. Looked after. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe to English Made Easy to improve your English so that you can speak confidently and fluently. Bye.